Hello children, welcome back with a new lesson.
Today we are going to make a fish tank.
For this you need some color paper, scissors and a glue. First I am drawing a shape of a fish tank. Cut the shape with a pair of scissors. Now draw another fish tank shape using a blue color paper. Finish the top line using a wavy line. Cut the shape and paste it on your fish tank. Now we are going to make our fish. First, fold the paper into two. Mark a curved line and a straight line. Cut the two lines and unfold the paper. And mark some straight lines like this. Cut the lines using a pair of scissors. Now hold the paper like this and paste it with the glue. And you can decorate your fish. We are going to make another fish. I'm going to draw some plants. Here I'm going to paste my items on my fish tank. At last you can decorate your fish tank. So this is the final look of our fish tank.
I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you soon with another activity.